Hey guys, what's up? Zach Calhoun here, co-founder of CloudPano.com. Hope you're having a wonderful day. Got some new features to show off today. I think they're a really big deal. Actually, some big changes to CloudPano, our platform, and I want to make sure that you are aware of them and so you can take full advantage of them as you create virtual tours for your company, for other people, for your prospects, as you go about your business. Okay, so what are we featuring today? All right, so when you click try it out now and sign in, if you don't know what CloudPano is, we are the world's best 360 virtual tour platform. Give us a shout today. Give us a try. I think you're going to love it. Okay, if you don't have any photos available or you're just getting started, you actually click this button that says not ready to make your own. Click here to create a sample tour. So we'll create an automatic demo for you with a few photos in it, and you can kind of play around with our software in this cool little virtual space here. Now we have a new feature where if you're going to link a hotspot, say you want to link a room to say this bedroom here, okay? Well, typically in the past, you just click the button bedroom and it would save and this would go to the bedroom. But we actually have some new feature customizations we have added to this specific hotspot and info spot feature. So if you notice here, first off, it's probably the most obvious change is that now our hotspot info spot editor is on the right. So it's over here to the right. There is a big UX or user experience change with this. And it's a big deal. And there's a couple reasons why we're doing this. Basically, it just opens up a bunch of feature customizations for us that we can now fit in the sidebar. So if I click right here and I move this scale button over, or the scale, I'm sorry, scale, the scaling, if I scale the scale feature, you'll see that our bedroom actually, the hotspot size changes. Now, you can use this for any hotspot size. So you can see right here for any hotspot style. So you see I have this very large hotspot in this room, and you may think, well, why would somebody want to do that? Well, if you move it down into the viewer a little bit, you can notice that it actually creates a little bit of depth. So if I edit right here, if I rotate this hotspot to the right some, it kind of gives me that depth type feel. And it's hard to see necessarily when I'm kind of doing a lot at one time, but if you save this here, you can definitely tell that this is closer than that one, even though actually theoretically, they're not. It's just a larger size. Okay, so you can customize whatever image you want to put here, of course, and you can, of course, as well scale this down. So if I want to shrink this down, I can do that. Now it's very small. I'm going to click save, and I'm going to actually move it over here. Let's see if I can make it look even smaller. Got some room here to play with. Cool. So now if you see what looks closer, well, obviously this looks much further away. Now, in this small room, it may not be as dramatic of an effect, but in a large room, in a large or even a large field, you want to be able to create this kind of depth, right? Because a smaller icon indicates that, hey, I want to go way over there versus if you have a large outside exterior area or you have a drone photo in 360, and all the icons are the same, you want to make sure that it can create a little bit of confusion. So you want to make sure that you optimize the sizes of your hotspots as well. So this also works for info spots. So let's say I want to say these are some books, right? Let's say that for example, and look, this new scale option, these are books. And of course, I can make this icon one of our default icons, which we already have here, or I can open my library, which by the way has moved now. Okay, so our library has moved right here and it's been redesigned. Okay, so I can access to all of our different icons here. I'm going to say confirm. Here's an example of that as well. And of course, our community icons are right here. So all the community, basically everybody that has contributed to the community, their icons will appear here. Okay, so it's important to note. Just wanted to show that off. And so now you have the option to scale and size your info spots. Man, I really like this because it adds that extra touch of customization. I'm just going to save that. Actually, I'm going to move this over here. And I like sometimes in a small room, small hotspots, info spots look clean and look nice. In a large field, every once in a while, creating that depth is really, really valuable feature for your tour. So get started today using these hotspot and info spot sizes. And of course, be on the lookout as we in the team add more customizations into this sidebar editor here now and kind of get used to it. It's actually pretty dang cool. Just kind of going through it and seeing all the same really cool customizations that you could do previously, but now they're just in the right sidebar. Okay. All right. Thank you so much for joining me. I'm excited you're here. I'm excited to continue to expand the world-class 360 virtual tour software, CloudPano.com. If you have any questions, let us know. The best next step is to upgrade and try all the features out. Go start creating virtual tours. It's just a low monthly fee, really affordable, a lot of fun, and overall, we're changing the world in 360, so we're excited to have you with us. All right, talk soon.